Do you want to make a collection of 10,000, 5,000, or 2,000 generative NFTs, but you don't have the time, the money, the resources, the developers, all that good stuff? Today I sit down with Darius, an amazing developer who created, boom, NFT Collection Maker. It's an incredible piece of software. I sit down with him so you guys can get a grasp of what it is and how it works. It removes all of the above right here and allows you to create, with the click of a button, NFT collections. Super easy. Check it out. Andrew, what's going on, my friend? How you doing today?
How are you?
Excellent, excellent. So guys, this is Andrew. Andrew is the creator of NFT Collection Maker. It is the baddest software that has literally just launched, and I had to get him on for you guys so you guys can see what this man created. So real quick, I would love Andrew to just introduce himself and give you a little background on your history in the development space.
Hey guys, this is Andrew Darius. And if you don't know me, we created as Explandio LLC. I cannot really count how many applications, but it was dozens and dozens of applications over the time. I'm developing applications since 25 years now, I think. And the recent company Explandio is building applications since 2014. And those are all either the video creation application or video mastering application or graphic application. So all of them, those are kind of the same overall space and the NFT collection maker.
Yeah, so you guys can see the man is not joking around, okay? This is a 25-year vet, and he created this NFT software. So I'll tell you a little bit of my backstory. I went through this pain that this software actually fixes. So I actually started talking to Andrew about the solution that he was working on. And he basically told me, man, this thing is going to be able to do everything that you've been trying to do on your own, which I spent days and days trying to figure this out on my own. And it was a pain in the butt. And then I got a bunch of developers to do it, and they were able to do it, but it cost a lot of money. It took a lot of time. And the biggest thing that I never had any type of control. So I basically would send them my artwork and hope and pray that in a couple of days, they were going to be able to send me the stuff back and it was going to work. But it never works that way, as you probably know with developers. So Andrew got to work. He ended up creating this incredible UI. We're going to get into the software. And the biggest thing that it does, though, is it automates the whole process from start to finish. I'm going to kick it to Andrew so he can give you guys a kicker demo and you guys can take a look at the software. So Andrew, take it away. Let's take a look at what you created here, my friend.
Okay, let me share my screen right now.
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default, it's 100 divided by the number of images. So you can see here, this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course, you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now, in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie, so you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to forbidden items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, it's, you can see here, black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. All right, now back to the NFT panel to see how to generate your previews, and wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview, we're making 3,000 images, hit go. Not even in 2 seconds. And you have 3,000 images generated. So now you can review your images, and maybe you have a couple you don't want to use. I have 2 that I don't want generated with the 3,000, so I click on disable on each image. And so I go back to generate preview again. I will add 2 more, which will replace the 2 disabled images, and the TTC technology makes sure they are completely unique. So see, I actually have 3,002 images with 2 disabled to keep me at 3,000 images. You go to the Fresh button, and here are your newly generated unique images. And here they all are by pushing all. Wow! 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
Big thing with this is it automates a lot of this painstaking process that normally your developer would have to figure out, have to set up, have to do manually, and it does it all for you in the back end. And that's the beautiful part about the software is you guys don't have to be tech nerds, developers to actually make this work. So once you go through the process, you connect to the Piñata, in the end, you're gonna have something ready that could actually be deployed straight to OpenSea or to your Web3 setup that you're running for your minting process. So Andrew, absolutely amazing, my friend. I can't wait to finish all of our collections with the software, and I can't wait to get it out there. And I do have a special bonus for all you guys watching right now. So we decided, because how dope the software is, that we're going to give away our free course, our actual advanced course, as part of the bonus for this software. So Andrew, when people buy your software, they're going to be able to get our course that's going to teach them A to Z when it comes to NFTs, from buying them, setting up your wallets, being safe, and going into the marketplace, the different marketplaces, buying and selling, trading, collecting, and all that good stuff. So super excited, my friend. Congratulations on the launch, and we can't wait to get a lot of people out there to use the software.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, Andrew. Appreciate it, man. All right, there you have it. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks again. Please hit that subscribe notification bell. Helps the YouTube algorithm. We got a lot of fun stuff coming. In the next video, I'm going to be showing a lot more about the NFT Maker. And it's an amazing piece of software. If you guys do want to get your hands on it, just hit the link in the bio. And also, if you're an affiliate with a lot of people that might benefit from the software, just feel free to sign up as an affiliate below. We'd love to have you part of the team and getting this amazing piece of software out there. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.